Today we are visiting beautiful Monaco. We only have a short time in Monaco, so we're doing a guided tour. But even if you don't wish to do a tour, watching this video to the end will show you the iconic sights of Monaco that you can visit at your own pace. At the end of the video, I will tell you how you can easily do your own self-guided tour through Monaco to the Monte Carlo casino. So to begin, can I ask two things of you? If you have any extra information that will help others, please add a comment. And if you find this video helpful in any way, please give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and we'll give you the lowdown on other places that you might be interested in exploring. We're doing our tour from a cruise ship. This Walking Tour of Monaco excursion is offered by cruise ships in Monaco and is Viking's included excursion. Our ship did not dock in Monaco, so our tour started by boarding a tender from the ship, which was anchored offshore. A few steps are involved, but the crew is skilled at helping people on and off the tender, so boarding is quite safe. We disembarked the tender in Port de Fantville at the foot of the rock. It was quite chaotic here while we tried to find our tour group. From here the tour proceeded 500 metres along flat paved ground to the bus. The bus travels from the port to the top of the rock, where we disembarked. The bus ride to the top of the rock in Monaco is quite short. The driver's side gives the best views over Monte Carlo on the way up, but you'll see the same spectacular views when you're at the top. The tour proceeds past the Oceanographic Museum, which clings to the side of the rock. This is where Jacques Cousteau was director. Next is the St. Martin Gardens. There are several statues in the gardens, including one of Grace Kelly. The walk through the gardens is downhill to a viewing area which overlooked the ship and the sea, and further around to overlook Port de Fantville. From here, we headed uphill to St. Nicholas Cathedral, with a restroom stop along the way. Construction of St. Nicholas Cathedral finished in 1903. We had a quick tour through the cathedral. Actress Grace Kelly married Prince Rainier in this cathedral, and since their deaths they lie in crypts that can be seen inside the cathedral. We then continued through the narrow streets of the forecourt outside the Grimaldi Palace, where the Royal Family of Monaco resides. The original part of the palace was constructed in 1191 as a Genoan fort. From here you can take in panoramic views over Monte Carlo. Our tour then gave us free time of about an hour to wander around the rock and have a coffee or snack at the many cafes. So far we had walked about 1 kilometre from the bus to the palace forecourt, through the gardens and past the cathedral. We then had another 500-metre walk downhill back to the bus, which returned us to the area where we boarded the bus. Then a 500-metre walk from there back to the tender to return to our ship. The tour involved in total about 1.5 kilometres of walking in Monaco and another kilometre getting to and from the bus. We enjoyed the walking tour of Monaco, but however you choose to see Monaco, we're sure you're going to enjoy that. If you want to see more of what Monaco has to offer, check out our Snapshots of Monaco video. There is a link to this below. Being quite small, Monaco is very easy to get around, and a popular destination is the Monte Carlo Casino. This is very easy to access from Port de Fanfil, where the tender dropped us. 500 metres away, around the docks, the number 6 bus, which runs approximately every 10 minutes, took us to the casino for the cost of €2 each, and drivers give change. Part of this journey is along the roads used in the Monaco Grand Prix. About 6 minutes and 6 stops after getting on the bus, it arrived at the Monte Carlo Turismo stop, next to the Gardens of Little Africa Park, where we alighted. It's a short walk downhill through the park and across the road to the casino. We arrived the week before the Grand Prix, and the forecourt of the casino had been turned into a corporate entertaining area. At the casino, you can enter the gaming area or have a drink at the bar, which overlooks the Hotel de Paris. When we left the casino, we rejoined the number 6 bus on its return journey back to Port de Fanfil, at a stop at the bottom of the park, next to the police station opposite the casino. This bus stop is on a road that's used in the Grand Prix. For Port de Fanfil, we got off the bus at the Fanfil commercial stop, just after the bus left the tunnel. From this stop there are escalators and a bridge which took us over the road for the 500-metre walk back to the tender. Monaco is a spectacular destination in the beautiful Mediterranean. It won't disappoint you.